In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create topic in Telegram group. If your group chat is getting busy, topics are a great way to keep conversations organized, so people can follow what matters to them without everything getting mixed together. Start by opening your Telegram app and heading straight to the group where you want to add topics. Make sure you are in the correct group before you change any settings, especially if you help manage more than one. Once you are inside the group, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This opens the group's profile page, where you'll find all the key controls and settings that affect how the group works. Next, tap Manage. Depending on your device or app version, this may appear as a management or editing option, but the idea is the same. You are going into the place where you can adjust group settings. Inside these settings, look for the Topics option. When you find it, toggle it on. Turning this on enables threaded discussions inside the group, which means each topic becomes its own space with a title and messages that stay together. After you enable topics, make sure to save your changes. Saving applies the setting to the group so everyone can start using topics right away. If you don't see the option, check that you have the right permissions in the group and consider updating your app so you are on a recent version. Now return to the main chat screen for the group with topics enabled. The interface will reflect that change, and you'll be ready to create your first one. Look for the new topic button or the plus icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear at the bottom of the chat list or in the top right menu. Either option leads to the same place. When the topic creation window opens, enter a clear descriptive name. Examples like announcements or help work well because they tell members exactly what belongs there. You can also choose an optional icon to make the topic stand out visually, which is especially helpful if your group will use several topics. Keep names short and specific, so it's easy for members to pick the right place to post. When you are happy with the title and icon, tap Create. That's it. Thanks for watching.